Hello guys, there we have a Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I will show you how you can enable Incognito Mode on 3 most popular web browsers from the Play Store. So we start from the Google Chrome and if you want to enable Incognito Mode here, just click here on this 3-dot icon and choose the new Incognito tab. That's it, now it's time for the Firefox. In the Firefox, just click here on this little zero mask. If the background is purple, it means that you are in the incognito mode. And the last one, in the Opera. In the Opera you have to click here on this tab icon and switch to the private. How you can see now your secrets are safe. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.